are going to love the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.